Hi, it's Barry Joyce here, and we're on a brand new day of a brand new month. The time of this video, we're at June the 1st, 2024. Now, what I'm going to do is just show you my results, as I have done since, if you've been following the videos, since December 2023 on my artificial trading bots that I'm using. Now, I don't know if you're like me, but over the years, I'm sick to death of being scammed, of rug pulls where you're putting money in, you're building teams up, you're starting to get momentum, and then all of a sudden these third-party platforms are pulling the plug, the rug pulling. I've never invested in any of these for a good few months now. Well, certainly since this year. And I've just been focusing on my artificial intelligence trading bots, where I am in 100% control of my own finances. Now, as I said, I've been shooting these videos since showing you my results of a couple of the bots that I'm using since December 2023. You can have a look at the link below to see the results from January, February, March, April, May, June. April. Now I'm going to show you the month of May. Now, before I do that, please note, this is not financial advice. I'm certainly not a financial advisor. As you can probably tell, I've been in the wars this week. I've got a cut on my eye. It's just a little accident that I had and it keeps bleeding. But I'm certainly not a financial advisor. These are my own results. You are not guaranteed to have these results. These are just for educational purposes. And if you are going to invest in cryptocurrency, please be very mindful how volatile it is and only invest in what you can afford. And like I said, you're not guaranteed these results. So I'm just going to now show you the month of May that I've just done. So what we're going to do is I'm going to head over to my spot orders. And I'm going to go to order history, or you can either go order history or trade history. I'm going to select the 1st of May till we're on the 1st of June. So I'm going to select there. And I don't know what's happened there. I must have hit the button. We'll go back. So we'll go... where we at in the calendar there, look, so go 1st of May to the 1st of June, search, and as I'm scrolling down, look, 180 pages for this month. So as you can see, 1st of May is the time of this video. So what I'm going to do is go to, where's my little button there, I'm going to go all the way to the end of the pages, which is 180, and that'll take you to the 2nd, look, so the 2nd of May. So this was the start of May. Right, okay, so I'm not going to go through all of the pages because we'll just be simply here all day. But as you can see here, so the 2nd of May, look, so I'll just scroll up. So what you've got is the order time, you pay, you type, you decide whether it's a buy or sell, the average, the price of the sale, executed, the amount, and then the total on the far right hand side. Now, as you can scroll down, look, these are all buys, or there's one sell there, but these are high. This is an alternative cryptocurrency, sorry. And all of my trades through the bots are done with USDT, so everything's done with Tether. So what I'll do is I'll just scroll to the next page, look, and just show you. So again, look, high. So this is on the same day, so buys and sells. So the next page, high. So there's quite a lot of highs there, isn't there? FET, so the artificial intelligence coin there. Again, high. Again. Very interesting that, because I'm going to have a look at my high percentages on that, because I've never actually checked it. I'll just quickly scroll through. I've just seen another one there, STX, all high. Interesting. I know I did have a good month with Litecoin this month, but I need to check out high. There you go. AVX or Avalanche high again. Just scrolling through. Yeah, all generally high. High again. So we're on the fourth look. Or Ray, Pep, Solano, Santos. So there we go. Look, so Doge, Ray, Bitcoin, Pep again. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to flick through a few of the pages till the last pages, because we don't want to be looking at all that. But as you can see, look, as I'm flicking through all the different coins there, they're all different. So we're on the 10th look there. So page 119, so the 13th. We're on to the 14th, all the way through. I'm just going to give these a few little clicks again. Page 85, look, Doge. That looks a good day on the 5th. So Avalanche, there's a few Solano there. So again, I'm just going to click through them, guys. Just, you know, you get the gist of it. Doge, on the 24th, that is, yeah. So the 24th is, as you can see there, look, we're coming up towards the end of the month. So there's only like 6 days left there. And, you know, there's 59 pages. So over the last week, it hasn't half traded well for me. And again, remember, guys, this is all on autopilot. I don't have to do anything. I set my settings. I'm in full control of my own money, and then it's away. And this does it all for you. Right, Santo, Bitcoin, Pep, Solano, trades 29. What date we're on there? So we're on the 29th. So we're 2 days away from the end of the month. So I'll just keep going. So there's the 30th. Look, so this here, so like 15 pages from the 30th. We have a look. Where are we at? Where we've gone there. So page 11. So page 11. Let's go back to page 12. Scroll up. Oh, yeah, right. Okay, so that's page 13, man. So page 12. Let's have a look. 30th, 30th, 31st. There you go. So yesterday, as the time of this video, as I said, 31st of May, it's done 12, well, 11 and a half pages worth of trades, look. So Pep, Advantage, AGIX, Pep, Santo, Avalanche again. Oh, there's another high, look. So high again. I'm going to check on that. So just going down, look. OM, Doge, Pep, Santos, Ray. There's a Litecoin. I know I've definitely done well with Litecoin this month. Where we're on here, still on the 31st, 3 days left. Pep, Ray, Litecoin, all the way right through. Bitcoin, high again. Not so much Bitcoin trading, and I've been watching Bitcoin this month, and it has been up and down. So this was yesterday again. Look, so high again. I'm definitely going to have a look at this, see what profits has been made on high, because that looks quite good on there. So that's all my trade histories, guys, for the bots that I am using. Remember, I'm in full control of my finances. You can't be rug pulled because it's all within inside of my Binance. I can withdraw at any time. So yeah, that's all good there. So that is my results, guys, as mentioned there, for May 2024 at the time of this video. So I will let you go, and I will do another video at the end of June to show you, the beginning of July. So the 1st of July, I'll do another video just to show you the results from this month's June. So if you're going to trade, like I said, please bear in mind just how volatile cryptocurrency is, and only invest what you can afford to lose. And I'll see you next month with my results, and happy trading.